Linda Robson has opened up about her marriage crisis and the ongoing feud between her and her Birds of a Feather co-stars. The Loose Women star, 65, has been married to husband Mark Dunford for 33 years and, amid claims that the pair's relationship is in crisis, Linda has put the rumors to bed, insisting that she and Mark are happier than ever. The outspoken TV star, who shares 3 children with Mark, was blindsided when rumors spread last year that she and her husband were on the rocks. Rumors spread after Linda jetted off on holiday to Spain without her other half, but the Loose Women star has now dubbed the claims as rubbish. "That's a load of rubbish. We're still living together. We both love our kids more than anything else in the world. Obviously you have a few hiccups in every marriage," Linda shared. "We've been married 33 years, so it's not going to be all plain sailing, but we're still together at the moment," she told The Sun. In recent years, Linda has been no stranger to feud rumors. Most notably, the TV star has heard time and time again in the headlines that she is involved in a bitter row with her Birds of a Feather co-star Pauline Quirk, a friend who she has known since early childhood. Putting the speculation to bed once and for all, Linda insisted that she and Pauline are very much still best friends, and they see each other all the time, as she opened up on their strong bond. Linda admitted that she has no idea where the false rumors have come from and explained that every time someone asks if she and Pauline are no longer friends, it upsets her deeply. "We're best mates. We've been best mates since we were 10 years old," Linda insisted. "It really upsets me every time I meet someone who goes, 'Oh, you fell out.' No, we haven't fallen out. I see her all the time, she comes to my house, I go to her house." Although Linda has continuously denied the rumors, Pauline was nowhere to be seen in the Birds of a Feather special back in 2020, leaving fans convinced that she and Linda had ended their friendship of 50 years. However, Linda previously told the Mirror that Pauline simply wanted out of her acting career, and that was the sole reason why she didn't join in on the TV special. She explained, "She just doesn't want to act anymore. She's had enough, it's long hours. She's concentrating on her drama academies. She's very hands-on, going to classes and all that," Linda added. Linda played Tracy Stubbs, and Pauline played her sister Sharon, in the hit sitcom, which also featured Leslie Joseph.